All right, today we're gonna bring a two-side fryer. Now you got your regular timer and you got your temperature control here, your power. Now this has two different connections, all right? So you could either connect some fries down the line, but today we're gonna show you a couple things. Assembling was very simple. This is a cover. You get your basket, all right? Your basket, shake it down. And then of course you could hang this. It has a hanger in the back. You guys see that? So you could your drippings could go in there. And that's it. Now you do have two levels, maximum, minimum, all right? And then you do have this last tray in here that I'm gonna put in here real quick so you guys can see. Look at that. That's gonna heat up, all right? Then the most important part, because if you're running this as a business, you're gonna need to drain it out back to somewhere safe so you could dispose of it safely, all right? Now, make sure you have a 110 at least connection to start cooking, all right? So we're gonna start doing some fries right now. So let's go ahead and start connecting this first. Keep going until maybe minimum. A little bit above minimum, all right? See, I told you it's gonna be the whole thing probably.
Should we go get another one?
No, that's good. Just throw the whole thing. Yeah. Keep that. We're gonna recycle the oil. So I threw a little piece of fry in there so I could see that it's cooking, just to test it out. Now the fryer is ready. We're gonna start going here and fry our fries. Now we're gonna step back a little bit because it is hot. So let's go ahead and start frying. Put this in there on the fryer, slowly, 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 slowly. You can hear them now, and we're gonna start cooking them now. So we're gonna make sure that they're moving completely. All right, they're frying right now. We're gonna keep them for how many minutes? This is
3 minutes.
3 minutes. All right, so we're gonna put 3-minute timer. Let's go for 3 minutes. All right, so those that are looking for fryers, dual layer fryers for either you're having a fair, amusement parks, or maybe your own shop or your own fry machine, this is perfect. We're almost gonna hit that little minute mark. I just moved them around, make sure that the starch is not sticking. They didn't stick at all. Really beautiful how it is. Then we're gonna cover it up at the end of the day. But look at this, you got your drip to release all your oil at the end of the day when it's cooled down. And you can reuse it or recycle it. Do the other set. All right, on this one, we're gonna take the fries out completely. You guys can see that? One fry just fell. Let me just put these in here. Oh. Don't touch it.
I know.
All right, we're gonna check on our fries because sometimes you gotta worry about your fries. And look at this, all the heat in there. We're gonna move it around because we don't want it to stick. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Very simple. Once we turn it off, we're gonna let it cool off. And then we're gonna drain it out too because you don't wanna leave the oil in here. Make sure you dispose of it properly or recycle it or reuse it. This took about a whole 1 gallon to go to above the minimum, all right? So it took a whole gallon just to go a little bit above the minimum. So we're using the minimum required, and we're using peanut oil. If you're allergic to peanuts, make sure you don't use this type of oil. You could use olive oil or vegetable oil or avocado oil, depending on your cost and depending on your allergies, all right? So if you're gonna serve multiple people this type of solution, you make sure you let them know that you use peanut oil too. It's very important to tell people. All right, so we're done. We're gonna turn this off now and we'll let the oil cool off. My recommendation is cover it up after. The reason is that we're outdoors, so you don't want bugs to go in the oil and kill bugs too. So you wanna make sure you probably wanna reuse your oil, cover it up. All right, so once we're ready to drain it, so we just grab our sink container, we had it, and we're gonna move this just a little bit enough here. Make sure it's underneath, and now you gotta do is move it to the side. Let's get some more, and that's it. Let the oil drain. All right, final results. The fries came out incredible. They taste just like the real fast food place, but at home, and save you some money too. So other than the fryer, they were pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy this meal.